Okay, everybody, are you ready for some more Super Potato themed maths? Now, yesterday you made traps, and I'm wondering if anyone managed to catch any evil peas last night. Part of me hopes that you didn't, because if you did, it means that he was sneaking around and causing mischief, doesn't it? Now, that evil pea has been up to no good again. We're going to talk about that for our main maths job in a minute. But before we start that one, we're going to have a little practice of our subitizing to get our brains warmed up today. Now, can you remember last week I said this was one of those skills that we were going to practice lots and lots and lots until it becomes easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let's start with our dice faces first. How quickly can we recognise them today? Are you ready? What's this one? 3. What's this one? 5. Well done. What's this one? 4. What's this one? 2. This one. 1 and 6. Well done. How did you get on today? Was it a bit easier today? I hope so. I hope they're getting more familiar. Now, can you remember on Friday we started looking at some more complicated subitizing patterns, didn't we? And you played that game where you shook out some things in a cup and you had to try and subitize how many things you'd got. We looked at some cards to get us started, didn't we? Let's have another look at those today and see how well we can subitize them today. Let's start with this one. How many dots are there? There are 3. Well done. Now, as well as just telling me how many there are, can you tell me how you know? How do you know you've got 3 dots? Let's have a look. We've got 2 here and 1 here, and 2 and 1 is 3. Now that's how I saw it. Remember we said last week you might see it in a different way, and that's absolutely fine. You might see 1, 1 and 1, or you might see 2 here and 1 here. Doesn't matter how you see it, okay? Let's try another one. Whoa. Should we do a really hard one? Is this a hard one? Was I tricking you? Sorry. How many have we got on here, guys? We've got 2. Well done. 1 here and 1 here. It's 2. How many have we got on this one? How can you see? How can you see? How many? 4. Well done. And how did you see it today? I can see 3 here and 1 here. 3 and 1 more is 4. Remember, if you saw it in a different way, that's fine. Now, can you remember what happens when we get into our bigger numbers? What happens if we look and we can't subitize? We can't see any patterns in there to help us. What can we do? Well done, guys. We can always use our counting fingers, can't we? But the more we practice, hopefully, the easier it gets to subitize. So let's try and subitize this one. How many can you see? How many can you see? Tell me. 5. Well done. 4 up here. 1 down here. I wonder, did anyone see it in a different way? What about 2 and 2 and 1? Or maybe you saw 3 here at the side and then 2 here. 3 and 2 is 5. So many ways we could do it, guys. Well done. Let's try our trickiest one then. How many here? How many? How many? Tell me. 6. Well done. And we've got 2 and 2 and 2. Or we've got 4 and 2. Or we've got 3 here and 3 here. All different ways of making 6. But remember, if there's too many for you to see, you can always count them. Should we just count and double check there was 6? Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done, guys. Now remember, the more we practice, the easier something gets. So we'll practice those again And we'll just keep chipping away at it, and hopefully we'll get quicker and quicker and quicker. Okay, are you ready to see what Evil P has been up to? He's been really, really naughty, guys. Click onto the next card and I'll tell you all about it.